Adidas is taking a major step back into U.S. football history with the long-awaited return of the Adidas GameSpeed OG, the same model created for NFL legend Keyshawn Johnson in 1998. Before Nike and Reebok dominated the league, the three stripes already made its mark on the gridiron through elite partnerships and performance-driven design. Designed by Shane Ward, the GameSpeed blended feature wear tech, AdiPRENE plus cushioning, and torsion stability to deliver explosive on-field performance. Now, this iconic silhouette is making a comeback in its original cloud white, zero metallic and power blue colorway, expected to drop via adidas.com by May 2026 for around $180. The revival also hints at more feature wear classics like the Intimidation and KB8 III returning soon. Whether you're a sneaker collector, NFL fan, or vintage Adidas lover, this comeback is one you don't want to miss. Stay tuned for updates, official photos, and release info.